The Casaottima L Desk with its L-shaped design is perfect for maximizing space and fits neatly into any corner, making it ideal for both gamers and home office setups. This desk is built with exceptional stability and durability, thanks to its 8 steel legs and adjustable leg pads, ensuring a secure and steady gaming or work experience. Assembly is a breeze with the Casaottima L Desk, as it can be set up in under 30 minutes with the help of a detailed instruction manual. With dimensions of 19 inches deep by 51 inches wide by 30 inches high, this desk provides a generous workspace for all your computer and gaming accessories. The desk's surface is designed to be clutter-free, offering ample space for monitors, keyboards, and other essentials, while additional underdesk storage keeps everything organized. Casaottima goes the extra mile with excellent customer service, offering a 24-hour online support team ready to assist with any inquiries or concerns.